Have you ever stopped to think about how much the world has changed in just the last few years? I mean, really think about it. The phone in your pocket is more powerful than the supercomputers that sent humanity to the moon. And now, something even bigger is happening, and it's unfolding at a speed that's almost hard to comprehend. I'm talking about advanced artificial intelligence. This is on just about your phone-as voice assistant getting a little smarter, or your streaming service recommending a new show. This is a fundamental shift, a revolution that's quietly reshaping every single aspect of our lives, our jobs, and our society. And it's happening much faster than most of us realize. Let's start with something we all interact with every day: the internet. When you search for something, AI algorithms are working in milliseconds to sift through billions of web pages to give you the most relevant answer. When you shop online, AI is personalizing your experience, showing you products it predicts you'll love. It's the invisible hand guiding your digital life, making it smoother and more intuitive. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Think about healthcare. For decades, diagnosing complex diseases was a long, painstaking process, relying on the expertise of a few specialists. Now, AI models can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRAs with a level of accuracy that can match or even exceed human experts. They can detect signs of cancer, heart disease, and other conditions earlier than ever before, potentially saving millions of lives. And it's not just diagnosis. AI is also accelerating drug discovery, helping scientists find new treatments for diseases that were once considered incurable. It's like having a team of brilliant researchers working 24/7 without ever getting tired. What about transportation? Self-driving cars once felt like science fiction, something you'd see in a movie. Today, they're on our street. Companies are testing fleets of autonomous vehicles that use a complex web of sensors, cameras, and powerful AI brains to navigate the world. They can see in all directions at once, react faster than any human driver, and they don't get distracted. The potential to reduce accidents, ease traffic congestion, and give us back countless hours of our lives is immense. It's not a question of if our daily commutes will be automated, but when. Now, let's talk about creativity. For a long time, we thought art, music, and writing were uniquely human domains, safe from the reach of machines. Well, think again. Generative AI can now create stunningly realistic images from a simple text description. It can compose music in any style, from classical symphonies to chart-topping pop hits. It can write poems, scripts, and even code. This isn't replacing human creativity. It's augmenting it. It's giving artists, musicians, and writers powerful new tools to express their ideas, breaking down technical barriers and unlocking new forms of creative expression we're only just beginning to explore. Imagine an architect being able to generate a dozen different building designs in seconds, or a filmmaker creating entire virtual worlds without a massive special effects budget. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and this rapid advancement brings up some serious questions. What happens to jobs? It's true that AI will automate many tasks that are currently done by humans. Customer service, data entry, and even some aspects of law and finance are already being transformed. But history has shown us that technological revolutions don't just destroy jobs, they create new ones. The key will be adapting and learning new skills. The jobs of the future might be AI trainers, ethics officers, or people who work alongside AI to solve complex problems. It's a massive shift in the workforce, and it requires us to rethink our entire approach to education and career development. Then there's the ethical side. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? How do we protect our privacy in a world where data is the new oil? These are not easy questions, and they require careful thought and public discussion. We need to build safeguards and regulations to ensure that this powerful technology is used for the benefit of all humanity, not just a select few. The development of AI can't just happen in a lab. It has to happen in an open, transparent way that includes everyone in the conversation. Let's look at science and exploration. AI is helping us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our planet. Climate scientists are using AI to build more accurate models of weather patterns and climate change, helping us predict the impact of global warming and develop strategies to mitigate it. In space exploration, AI is analyzing vast amounts of data from telescopes to discover new planets and galaxies. It's even helping to operate rovers on Mars, making autonomous decisions millions of miles from home. AI is becoming an essential partner in our quest to understand the universe and our place in it. So what does this all mean for you? Right now, it means that staying informed is more important than ever. The changes are happening so quickly that what seemed impossible last year is reality today. It's not about being an expert in coding or machine learning. It is about having a general understanding of what this technology can do and thinking critically about its impact on your life and your career. Think about your own job. Are there repetitive tasks that could be automated? Are there ways you could use AI tools to be more creative or efficient? The people who will thrive in this new era are not the ones who resist change, but the ones who embrace it, who are curious, and who are willing to be lifelong learners. The pace of AI development is exponential. It's not a straight line. It's a curve that's getting steeper and steeper. Every breakthrough builds on the last one, leading to an acceleration of progress that is truly mind-boggling. We're living in one of the most transformative periods in human history, on par with the agricultural revolution or the industrial revolution. But unlike those which unfolded over centuries or decades, the AI revolution is happening in a matter of years. It's an incredibly exciting time to be alive, but it can also be a little daunting. The future is arriving faster than ever before, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. The world of tomorrow is being built today, and it will look very different from the world we know. The best thing we can do is to stay curious, stay informed, and engage with the conversation. Because this isn't just about technology. It's about the future of humanity itself. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, consider liking the video and subscribing for more content about the future of technology and how it has changed in our world. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What part of the AI revolution are you most excited or concerned about? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.